Hello, everyone. How are you? Let's spread love, happiness, and success among community.
Welcome, everyone, to this 5-minute crash course on cryptocurrencies. In this video, we'll explore the basics of this digital revolution that's reshaping the world of finance. So let's dive in. To begin, let's understand what cryptocurrencies are. Cryptocurrencies are digital or virtual currencies that use cryptography for secure transactions. Unlike traditional currencies, they are decentralized, meaning no central authority controls them. This decentralization is made possible by a technology called blockchain. Blockchain is the underlying technology that powers cryptocurrencies. It's a distributed ledger that records all transactions across a network of computers, ensuring transparency and security. Every transaction is stored in a block and linked together in a chain, hence the name blockchain. Now let's talk about Bitcoin, the pioneer of cryptocurrencies. Created in 2009 by an anonymous person or group named Satoshi Nakamoto, Bitcoin introduced the concept of a decentralized digital currency. It operates on the principles of scarcity, as there will only ever be 21 million Bitcoins. Cryptocurrencies offer several advantages. Firstly, they enable fast and low-cost peer-to-peer transactions across borders, bypassing traditional intermediaries like banks. Secondly, they provide financial inclusion, allowing the unbanked and underbanked populations to access financial services. Lastly, they offer transparency and immutability, making it difficult for fraudulent activities to go unnoticed. Bitcoin may be the most well-known, but there are thousands of other cryptocurrencies with unique features and use cases. For example, Ethereum introduced smart contracts, which are self-executing agreements that automatically execute when predefined conditions are met. This opens up a world of possibilities for decentralized applications and programmable money. Another fascinating development within the crypto space is the rise of non-fungible tokens, or NFTs. NFTs are unique digital assets that represent ownership or proof of authenticity of a specific item, such as digital artwork, collectibles, or even virtual real estate. They have opened up new possibilities for artists, creators, and collectors. One of the criticisms often raised against cryptocurrencies, especially Bitcoin, is their environmental impact. Bitcoin mining consumes a significant amount of energy. However, it's important to note that the industry is actively working on solutions like transitioning to more energy-efficient consensus mechanisms, such as proof of stake, POS. Additionally, several cryptocurrencies are focused on sustainability and eco-friendly practices. Cryptocurrencies are experiencing rapid global adoption. Countries like El Salvador have even recognized Bitcoin as legal tender. Major corporations, including Tesla and PayPal, have started accepting cryptocurrencies as a form of payment. This growing acceptance indicates a shift towards a more inclusive and digitally connected global economy. While cryptocurrencies have immense potential, it's important to be aware of the risks involved. The crypto market is highly volatile, with prices fluctuating rapidly. It's essential to conduct thorough research, understand the projects you invest in, and be cautious of scams and phishing attempts. Remember, never invest more than you can afford to lose. Looking ahead, cryptocurrencies are poised to disrupt numerous industries. They can revolutionize finance by providing faster, more secure transactions and reducing fees. They can transform supply chain management by improving transparency and traceability. And they can even redefine how we think about ownership and intellectual property. The possibilities are endless. Remember, this is just the tip of the iceberg, and there's so much more to learn. So keep exploring, stay curious, and embrace this exciting digital revolution. And there you have it, a glimpse into the inspiring world of cryptocurrencies. As this space evolves, it's crucial to stay informed and embrace the opportunities that arise. Thank you for joining me on this journey. Until next time.
Let's spread success and prosperity.